Hi everyone, my name is Rajshri Mitrika and I am here to present Simply Jaipur's new initiative, Simply Youth Brigade. So, Simply Youth Brigade is a new initiative that encourages young minds and the upcoming youth. In this initiative, we have live friendly conversations with some brilliant young minds. So, for today, we have a very special guest who is only 13 years old, and at such a young age, she is teaching calligraphy to almost all the age groups. Um, Besides calligraphy, Gauri Sharma, our young guest, is also into social work and is doing wonders for the underprivileged. So let's start with the conversations and let's get to know more about Gauri. Hi, Gauri. How are
Hello,
you?
I'm fine.
Acha, so tell me about your Gauri. Like, start with a little bit of introduction about yourself. Tell everybody what is your name again? Where are you from which school?
Hello, everyone. My name is Gauri Maheshwari. Thank you all for joining. I am in Standard 7th. I study in St. Xavier's Senior Secondary School, Jaipur. I love calligraphy. I am currently in Ajmer. And apart from calligraphy, I am a good orator. I love art and craft and hobbies like painting, drawing, doodling. I also play squash and chess. Also, I also play squash and chess, and I love participating in debates and MUNs.
So you're already participating in MUNs. That's fantastic. Like मैंने MUN से participate करना 11th standard में चालू किया था and you're only in 7th grade. Okay, so you're from Xavier's, right? So how are you liking Xavier's?
I love my school. The teachers in my school are really very supportive. They're very loving and kind. I have a great school campus. We have all sort of sports like swimming, badminton, football, basketball, squash, and lot more. We have many extra co-curricular activities as well.
So what made you choose squash? Like there are a lot of sports, right? तो आपने squash क्यों choose किया?
Actually, my brother had started playing squash, so by seeing him, I got inspired that even I wanted to do squash. That's as I started with squash.
Okay, so आपके भैया ने किया इसलिए आपको भी करना था. उसके अलावा ऐसा कोई और स्पोर्ट था जो ऐसा भी था कि मुझे खुद को करना है ये स्पोर्ट?
Yeah, I had done swimming as well, and I tried badminton also.
So you didn't like badminton and swimming.
No, I liked it. I've continued swimming also, but yeah, I continued squash the most. That's the most sport I played.
That's nice. तो अभी तक आपने कोई उसमें proper tournament में गए हो? Like
Not yet.
states, nationals or anything?
No, not yet.
Okay, so you're planning to go, right? So all the best for that. Okay, so tell me about what do you think about online education?
I think online is definitely not better than the regular ones, but online is not that bad. If you want to revive something, you can always check. So,
आप
but
prefer
yeah,
क्या
yes,
करोगे? Online education या normal classes?
normal classes.
अच्छा तो दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन ना इतना फॉर्मल नहीं रखते. यू आर सो टाइनी. इतना फॉर्मल होके मत बात करते हैं. अपन ऐसे फ्रेंडली कॉन्वर्जेशन करते हैं, ठीक है?
Hmm.
You think of me as your friend.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. तो एक और बात बताओ. How is this quarantine going for you? Are you liking it? Are you enjoying at home or what? और आपको स्कूल ज्यादा पसंद है? मुझे फ्रैंकली स्कूल नहीं पसंद था.
I love my school. I love going to school. Like I miss my friends badly. But yeah, my quarantine is going nice.
ओके, तो आप क्या करते हो क्वारंटीन में? मतलब आप अपना हाउ डू यू किल टाइम?
Okay, so starting of the day, I have my classes, but after that, I just sleep for some like half an hour or 1 hour. Then I have my online calligraphy classes. Then I do French classes also. Then
You're
at
taking
night,
French classes or you're giving
no,
French lectures?
I am learning French.
Oh, that's nice. We have French in
Then
our school as well, right? In Xavier's.
yes,
Okay, nice. That's nice. You sound like an all-rounder. क्या करोगे इतना सब कुछ इतनी सी एज में करके?
पता नहीं.
अच्छा, आपको
I
करना क्या
just
है
love
फ्यूचर
it.
में? आपको पता है आपको फ्यूचर में क्या करना है? बहुत ही सिली क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि आप अभी
I
बहुत छोटे हो. But still,
I
कुछ तो
wanted to
सोचा होगा.
go for civil services, but I want to continue my teaching hobby also, teaching art and craft, calligraphy, because I love it. But 2 days back, the education policies have changed, so I'll have to think over. Then I'll decide.
So you're interested? Are you interested in politics? Do you watch news, right?
Yes, I do. Not much, but yeah, I do.
पता है मैं फिफ्थ में भी बोलती थी कि मुझे भी सिविल सर्विसेज करना है. Now I'm studying mass communication because my interest just changed somehow. कोई बात नहीं,
Let's.
डिसाइड करना बहुत टाइम है अभी तो. उसके अलावा स्कूल में आप क्या करते हो? आपको कुछ मजा आता है स्कूल में? क्योंकि जो अभी आपने मुझे आंसर दिया था, आई एम सो सॉरी बट दैट आंसर वाज रियली फॉर्मल एंड बुकिश. तो आप मुझे खुद बताओ आपको क्या लगता है स्कूल? इट्स नॉट अबाउट टीचर्स, इट्स अबाउट यू, राइट? इट्स योर स्कूल लाइफ.
It's about me, but our school is actually fun. Like we're even allowed to sit with our friends. So
Obviously that.
how can someone not like the school? There are some people who don't like studies, but I like studies.
Yeah, I heard you're a topper in maths and science, right?
Yeah.
That's important all around. That's fantastic. Okay, so let's start talking about calligraphy a bit more. So, what made you start calligraphy?
I just passed out from second standard, and one day I was surfing through internet. Then I saw
Yeah,
something like calligraphy pen, and I was really very fond of pens and stationery items, colors. Actually, I still am fond of these things. So I asked my mother that what is calligraphy? Is it done with a special pen? What is it? So she told me that calligraphy is an art of writing beautifully. She had done calligraphy, so she knew like much about it. So she told me that in calligraphy you have to write beautifully, and it's done with a special pen, a calligraphy pen. So
yeah.
as I told you that I study in St. Xavier School, so our school conducts a summer camp every year.
Yeah,
So
there's a
that
group
year
called
also,
Syahi, I think.
yeah,
That is
Siahi
just
Club is also there.
yeah,
So that time also, I wanted to join the summer camp. I wanted to learn calligraphy, but it was from sixth. So I like told my mother that I just want to learn calligraphy. So she asked the sir, Mr. Melvin Castellino. He teaches us calligraphy. So he told that she's too young. She's just passed out from second. We don't even know how to hold a pen. So, but my mother insisted a lot. Then he said that she can have first 2 3 classes as demo. If she does well, then we'll continue.
yeah. So you did well in that, or what? Obviously, I'm guessing you did well.
First, no, first day was really very tough for me. Like I was really very messy and I had spilled the ink everywhere. But after
क्योंकि
I
तुम
went back
second
home,
standard में थे, obviously you're gonna do that stuff.
so I went back home. Then Mama taught me the basics of an ink pen and a calligraphy pen. Then from the second day onwards, my work was always shown in the class.
That's very nice.
That was like a
ये
great
second standard
inspiration for me. So now also when I teach, I've made it a point that the best work I always post it in the group.
That's very nice. I don't know what to say because like you sound like a great. You know what? There are some kids, right? जिनको बहुत उनका लेवल दूसरा होता है थोड़ा. उनसे बात करने से लगता है क्यों बात कर रहे हो? बहुत लेवल का पड़ा है हमसे. But okay. So, what has been your learning experience and who was your mentor during your journey?
My learning experience was very nice. As I told you that starting first 2 3 days were messy, but then I could do really well. And talking about the mentor, like my parents are definitely my mentors, but apart from them, my teachers and my friends, my extended family, like my buas, my my mama, Mr. Mukesh Biani, my mommy, my taiji, Charu Dargar, all were like really supportive with me.
They were happy that you were doing something productive.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? अभी जैसे क्या feeling आ रहा है जब quarantine में I become super unproductive.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
मुझे ऐसी feeling आ रही है कि quarantine में I've become super unproductive. और मुझे आपसे बात करके ऐसा लग रहा है कि पहले कितना productive होते हैं बाकी लोग भी. Like you have a
No,
fixed
actually,
schedule, you're teaching, you're studying, you're doing everything, and I'm doing nothing except watching Netflix and sleeping.
no, actually, I had done everything of my interest on phone, and I was just watching screen that I wanted to, like watch phone. I had nothing to do, and I already finished the course with my friends in the summer break. So I was
You've
so
already finished
bored.
the entire course for this year.
No, not this year. Whatever the teachers have taught us.
Okay.
So on 12th May, when it was my birthday, me and my grandfather, Mr. Gyandev Mundra, we were sitting together and watching the news. And that time I heard Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, speaking about Atmanirbhar Bharat. So I got really inspired from it. And later on at night, my father asked me, "You've entered your teens. What's your birthday resolution?" And I was like, "I want to do something for the society, something for myself." So I asked my mother, "What can I do?" So she told me that you can start taking online classes, and online is a great platform. And it turned out to be true, as I have now students from abroad as well.
Really?
Yeah.
That is very fascinating. Okay. So, okay. You just answered my other question. My next question was going to be how did you come up with this idea of online classes? So you just told me that you saw that Narendra Modi's news and then you got inspired, right? So let me just ask some other question. How can one enroll him or herself at the class?
Initially, my mother, like my parents and my well wishers, used to spread the message through social media. But now I have my own Facebook page, and also a website is there in progress where I post the
Okay, so you're going
recent
to make a
updates of
website
my
as well.
class. Yeah,
Sorry,
www.gaurimaishri.com.
okay, so are you on Instagram? Okay, चलो इसका बहुत हो गया. मुझे पहले ये बताओ. Are you on any social media? What do you do for fun except
I'm on
studying?
Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Snapchat, and definitely
So do you want to
WhatsApp.
promote your Instagram and your Instagram handle of what? Uh, Calligraphy on Simply
No, that's
Youth
actually
Brigade.
my art page. That's actually my art page. I post
So you
all
can
my
tell your
art
viewers about your
paintings.
art page, no? They can go and just look at it, appreciate
It's,
it for you.
it's Gauri Art World.
Okay. So tell me, what do you do for fun?
For fun, I love doing painting. If I do not
That's
have any option left, then I do painting. And even if I'm done with painting, because painting takes a lot of time and patience. If I,
yeah.
I'm very tired, then I do some nature photography.
You also do photography. Dude, what are you? ऐसा कुछ ऐसे नहीं करते हो.
Mm, I don't play
Even I
much
sketch
sports.
sometimes. Even I sketch sometimes, but I only sketch when I'm in a bad mood. क्योंकि मेरे में ना पेशेंस बिल्कुल नहीं है. वो थोड़ा
I
सा
sketch when I'm in a
खराब
good mood.
वर्ड.
I sketch when I'm in a good mood.
गुड मूड में तो मुझे कभी स्केचिंग की याद नहीं आई फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. जब भी मेरा मूड खराब होता है मुझे किसी से बात नहीं करनी होती है मैं सोचती हूँ कि चलो स्केचिंग करते हैं. और उसमें भी मैं गुस्सा होकर पेपर फाड़ देती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे सेंड में होती नहीं है.
Okay.
ओके तो या सो इज देयर लाइक अ फॉर्म और समथिंग जिससे लोग एनरोल कर पाएंगे या फिर अभी भी सिर्फ वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से होता है?
No, they can just WhatsApp me or talk to me. That's it. My father had told me that I should make a form that where do they live, what's
Yeah,
their phone
you
number,
should create a
their
Google
company
form, right?
name. I should make an Excel sheet, but I've not started working on it yet.
I think you should. Your dad is right.
Yeah.
एक और बात बताओ, जब आपके स्टूडेंट्स थे वो ऑब्वियसली आपसे बहुत बड़े थे, राइट? तो उन्होंने आपको देख के उनको ये नहीं लगा, एक बार के लिए सरप्राइज नहीं हुआ कि ये तो कितना छोटा बच्चा है, हाउ इज शी गोना टीच?
शायद लगा हो, like nobody would say कि you're so छोटा, how will you do? Nobody would definitely not say that. But yeah, everybody had continued. So because generally I showed my face in the first class, then I was just like I set the tripod and my work was always like the tripod was set showing the work. So like they
Okay.
enjoyed it. And now I have around 10 to 15 people only from Assam.
Really? Dude, you keep surprising me all the time. Acha, tell me something. I heard that you have students from all the age groups, and the age difference between them is really vast, like from 8 to even 40 years old. So how do you tackle this age gap? Does it affect the learning somehow or anything?
Calligraphy is new for everyone.
Yeah.
Sometimes it happens that adults are taking more time, sometimes the younger ones are taking more time, or vice versa. But the students in my batch are really very cooperative. They like, even if one is left, they'll say that we'll practice one more line. I give them lines to practice in. So it will increase it will, enhance our practice only.
Acha. So that's how you tackle the age gap.
Yeah.
और मेरे को एक और बताओ, आप में इतना पेशेंस है कैसे?
I don't know. No idea.
अच्छा, और कुछ बताओ मुझे आपकी कैलीग्राफी या क्लासेस से रिलेटेड ही, ऐसा कुछ
Calligraphy.
इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जो हुआ हो कैलीग्राफी क्लास में एंड यू वांट टू शेयर?
Yeah, that we started. I say, in the like when someone WhatsApps me that I want to learn, then I send him the whole message. In that I say that I will be sending PDF format of full alphabets a day. You can take a printout of it, so it becomes easier. So
Yeah.
starting days we used to do only four fonts of small alphabet, and capital is way too tougher than small. And by going to towards the end, we used to do 6 to 8 alphabets, capital alphabets a day.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so tell me, what is the duration for your classes? कितनी देर का एक क्लास होता है और कितने,
One
मतलब
hour.
वीक में कितनी क्लास होती है?
It's 1 hour and it's 6 days a week, and I take around 15 sessions. But
15
somehow
sessions.
I have observed that starting it takes time, but I just told you that in ending we go too fast. So next batch I've decided that I'll take only 10 sessions, 10 to 12.
और अभी आपको और इंक्रीज करना है, और जब स्कूल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तब भी आप करोगे इसके साथ कैरी ऑन, या अब उसको बंद कर
Yes.
दोगे क्लासेस को?
Oh, I love
हाउ आर
this
यू गोइंग टू
vacation.
मैनेज? स्कूल से कैसे मैनेज करोगे इतना सारा?
I can, like, I used to go for some extra classes that I've completed, so at that time I can do this.
और अगर आपको खुद के लिए कुछ करना होगा तब क्या करोगे?
तभी टाइम मैनेज कर लूंगी.
वाओ, मतलब पता नहीं, मेरे पास कुछ बचा नहीं है आपको बोलने के लिए, पता है. But yeah, okay. I wanted to know what's the fees for your class, for your basic course?
Initially, my when it was my first batch, I first taught my friends. First, I taught
Okay.
my friends that know कि online हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कैसा कर सकती हूँ. Then I started from 500 rupees, 250 to 500 rupees, and from now onwards, I'm taking 1000 rupees.
And I also heard that you gave around 5,000 rupees to this foundation.
Yes.
So did your mom ask you to do it, या आपने खुद ने decide किया था कि हाँ मुझे देना है इसके ऊपर, मतलब इसके
I
लिए मुझे देना है
decided it
sponsor?
myself.
कोई
Because
बोलेगा आपसे
there
बात
are
करके कि
around,
you're only 13 years old.
I have around 30 people in my batch. Like, there are two
Yeah,
batches in total of 30 people.
very nice. Okay, so one of the viewers were asking, can you give a demo? Do you have a pen or paper right now? Do you
Yeah,
have
I
your
do.
calculator pen?
Yeah,
So can you
just a
give a
second.
demo?
Let me write. Yeah, sure. Let me write.
Thank
Let me
you.
just get a pen.
All
Just a
right.
second.
No worries, take your time.
All right, let me just turn the tripod. Can I switch the camera? Not sure how do we do that. You able to see?
Yeah.
All right. This is the font that I am teaching right now.
Okay. What is it called?
This is the Gothic font. There are
Okay.
two fonts that I know. One is Gothic and one is Italics.
All right.
I was saying Gothic and I started writing T. Really sorry about that.
It's all right. पता है मैंने भी कैलीग्राफी सीखने की कोशिश करी थी बचपन में हुआ मेरे से कुछ नहीं था इसलिए मैंने छोड़ दिया मैं रोज उसका इंक अपने ऊपर गिरा लेती थी और घर वापस आ जाती थी
That used to
या
happen
उस
with me
पेन की
also.
और मैं या फिर उस पेन की निब तोड़ देती थी रोज रोज का था मेरे साथ यही सीन
It happened with me also. I was given that I had to use the same pen for 3 years, and I had
या
broken the pen in around a week only. Like this is the
मैं
sample
भी ऐसे
font.
ही करती थी मेरे से नहीं होती थी कैलीग्राफी व्हाट हैव यू रिटन फर्स्ट वन
Love
इज
calligraphy. I have not completed it.
oh my god that actually looks beautiful you're actually very talented you know that right
Yeah, thank you.
That's great. Now I know why people come to your classes. Why are there what foreign students? Why do you have? Now I know the reason why you have international students. Yeah. So I want to ask one more thing. I heard that you do social work as well.
Yeah,
So what motivated you to do that?
just a second. Let me the camera as well. Yeah, is it fine now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So yes, that started when I was in class third, I guess, and my mama took me to an NGO program. It was Christmas, and that time there were poor children, so I taught them how to make something with art and craft. So that inspired me the most. So I thought that I want to do something. Like, I have to do something.
That's very nice. I am out of questions now. And I just want to say that it was lovely talking to you and you're very cute.
Thank
And I
you.
love your work. Your calligraphy is very nice. And
Thank
keep
you.
doing whatever you're doing. And I would suggest कि जेवियर्स में एक बार आप अपना वो समर कैंप में आप इनिशिएट करना कि आप अपना क्लास रखोगे इफ यू वांट
Let's see.
बात तो करना मेलविन सर से एक बार
I'll see about that.
या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम इट वाज लवली टॉकिंग टू यू
Same here.
and best of luck with your future in what good luck with passing killing your time in quarantine because
Thank you.
everybody is bored thank you bye Gauri
Bye. Thank you everyone for joining. Your presence means a lot to me.